It's Seat 7, Row 10, Section 142 at Safeco Field, but you can just call me Seat 7. There's a lot to like from the Mariners this year. You know that feeling when you get something unexpected and special. That's just how you're going to feel at Ruby Tuesday.
It ain't a party till you got Seattle salads in your face with over 40 different toppings. It's the freshest place to taste. Try their signature salads or create one of your own.
Seattle's best coffee has delicious breakfast at a great value. So great, in fact, that when you first try it, you may need me. Doing the Mondo at Taco Del Mar makes a very personal statement. You can Mondo big with sour cream and guac. You can Mondo small with our Mondito burrito. It's more than just the latest and greatest. It's a totally new shopping experience. Come see for yourself when Nordstrom opens its brand new store in Glendale at the Americana at Brand. The Triforce, the harmonious union of power, wisdom, and courage, has been the object of countless battles between the forces of light and darkness.
Hey guys, do you hear that? I don't know what's going on, but I don't like it, and I think we need to get out of here right now.
I just want you to know that I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. Come over here.
Hey, I'm not gonna tell you again to put the gun down. Put the gun down, asshole! This is what you get.
Back in the day, we worked the same hours, sitting together in one building. Clock in, clock out. You joined a meeting by walking to it. There was only one kind of coffee.